हाय एवरीवन, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। मैं हूं विश्वास पुदाले और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं डिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ बीम के बारे में। आज हम देखेंगे कंसेप्ट डिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ बीम कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं बाय यूजिंग यूनिट लोड मेथड। सो द हियर एज यू कैन सी द क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द वर्टिकल डिफ्लेक्शन. Find vertical deflection in the frame as shown in figure by using unit load method. By using unit load method at point C. EI is constant and area, that is a section of this member, each member, that area is given, cross sectional area, that is 100,000 mm square. So we'll start. Right, let us start. As you can see in this diagram, they are given diagram for a truss. So in this diagram we have to find deflection at point C here, right? So first of all, our first step is find support reaction. As you can see, this end is hinge, so the reaction at point A is RAH, and here the reaction is RA. As this is roller support, so reaction at point B is RB. So let us start. First we'll start with step number 1. Step number 1. Find support reaction. Step number 1, find support reaction. Find out support reaction. So first we'll take a condition, equilibrium condition. Summation of moment of force about point A is equal to 0. As you can see in this diagram, we'll take moment of all forces about point A. We'll consider clockwise positive and anti-clockwise negative. Right? So what is the moment? As you can see in this diagram, there are two external forces. One is at point F and another one is at point C. So take moment of 10. So 10 into perpendicular distance is 4. As you can see, this 10 into this will move in a clockwise direction. So plus 10 into 4 plus 20 into how much? 6. 20 into 6 minus RB into 9 is equal to 0. Right? So you find out value of RB. See how much it is. You will get value of RB is in kilonewton. So now we'll calculate value of this, that is 10 into 4 plus 20 into 6 divided by 9. So answer is 17.77 kilonewton. We'll find second reactions by considering summation of Fy is equal to 0. We'll consider upward plus and downward negative. So plus, as you can see here, plus RAV plus RB minus 20, you can see here 1, 2 and 3 is equal to 0, plus RAV. RB is how much? It is plus, that is 17.77 minus 20 is equal to 0. 17.77 minus 20, right? So that is RAV minus 2.22 is equal to 0. RAV is equal to 2.22 kilonewton plus positive. Clear? So I'll write these values. RB is equal to 17.77, RAV is 2.22, and summation of fx is equal to 0. Right side positive, left side negative. As you can see here, there is a reaction RAH plus RAH. This 10 is also in the towards right side. So plus 10 is equal to 0. So RAH is equal to minus 10 kilonewton. Right. So as you can see here, answer is minus 10 kilonewton. So we'll assumed direction of RAH will cancel, and final direction of RAH is towards left side. Right. So this is the final direction of RH. So please remember this carefully. So now we'll proceed to find support reactions. Just now I find support reaction. Now we'll proceed to find forces in each member. So see how we'll proceed. So first we'll proceed with the help of joint method. Consider joint A, right? Before considering any joint, you first understand there should not be maximum more than 2 unknown forces. Only 2 unknown forces are allowed, right? So joint A, so this is joint A. See this reactions, direction of reaction, that is RAH, that is 10 kilonewton. RAV is how much? 2.22, right? And one more point is, this is force in AD and this is force in AE, right? And always you have to show the direction away from the joint or away from the point, away from this point. So this is what FAD and this is FAE. FAE and FAD and FAE. This angle will calculate, that is this side is 4 meter as you can see, and this adjacent side is 3. So tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3, that is tan inverse of 4 by 3, tan inverse of 4 by 3 is 53.13. So this angle is 53.13. We'll resolve this. FE cos 53.13 and FAE sine 53.13, right? So summation of Fy is equal to 0. Summation of Fy is equal to 0. Upward plus and downward minus summation of Fy, that is upward, as you can see, plus 2.22 plus FE, this component FE sine 53.13 is equal to 0. Only two vertical components, so FE into sine 53.13 is equal to 2.22 minus, here it is plus, on opposite side that become minus. So FE is equal to minus 2.22 upon sine 53.13. So FE 2.22 divided by sine 53.13, and answer is FE is equal to 2.77 kilonewton, right? FE is 2.77 kilonewton. So summation of Fx is equal to 0. Right side plus, left side minus. Remember, this is minus sign, so in bracket I will write compression. Summation of Fx is equal to 0 plus FAD minus 10 plus FAE 1, 2 and 3. FAE cos 53.13 is equal to 0. So plus FAD minus 10 plus, remember FAE is negative, right? So you consider that minus sign here, 2.77 cos 53.13 is equal to 0. So minus 10 minus 2.77 cos 53.13. The answer you can see minus 11.66. FED minus 11.66 is equal to 0. On right side minus become plus. FED is equal to 11.66 plus, right? So I'll write here tension, right? So this is for point or joint A. Next we'll consider joint D. So consider joint D. After considering that joint, you have to show members in a force away from the point. Please see this diagram. Joint D, 1, 2, 3, right? Joint D. So this is FAD, this is FDC, and this is FDE, right? So as you can see, after taking there is no inclined force, so you can directly write FAD is equal to FDC. See FAD how much? 11.66 11.66, that is tension, and FDE is equal to 0 because there is no opposite force, so it is 0. Next, consider joint B. See this joint, that is a roller supported. This is point B, this is FBC. और आपको हमेशा समझ के लेने का है कि जो भी पॉइंट आप कंसीडर कर रहे हैं, जो भी जॉइंट कंसीडर कर रहे हैं, उस जॉइंट को जो भी मेंबर जॉइंट करने वाले हैं उसके अंदर जो भी फोर्सेस है वो आपको जॉइंट से अवे दिखाने का है, मतलब जॉइंट से बाहर की तरफ ऑलवेज, एज दिस इज रिएक्शंस, जो रिएक्शन का जो डायरेक्शन है उस मुताबिक आपको यहाँ पे बताने का है RB, दैट इज 17.77. सो दिस इज FBF, this is FBC, right? And this included angle is, as you can see, this is 3 and this is 4. So this angle become 53.13, right? So this angle is 53.13. So you resolve this. FBF cos 53.13, FBF sin 53.13. Summation of Fy is equal to 0, upward plus downward minus, so plus FBF sin 53.13 plus 17.77 is equal to 0. One, see how many vertical forces? One is this FBF sin 53.13 and another one is this reaction, that is 17.77. So FBF sin 53.13 is equal to minus 17.77, right? So FBF is equal to minus 17.77 divided by sin 53.13. FBF is equal to 17.77 divided by sin 53.13, and answer is 22.212 minus, as this is minus sign, so I'll write here compression. This is FBF. Alright, next, summation of Fx is equal to 0. Summation of Fx is equal to 0. So as you can see here, horizontal forces, right side plus, left side minus. So minus FBC minus FBF cos 53.13 is equal to 0, minus FBC minus FBF. FBF is how much? That is minus 22.212 cos 53.13 is equal to 0. So 22.212 cos 53.13, so it is minus minus plus, FBC is equal to 13.327. See, minus minus plus, right? And because of this minus sign, you are getting here positive answer, so it is tensile. So FBC is also 13.327 in tension. Next, we'll consider joint. Consider joint C. Consider a joint C. This is 20 kilonewton. FCD, FBC or CB you can say, and this is FCF. Right. So there is no inclined force, so we can directly write FCD is equal to FBC. FCD is equal to FBC, and FBC, you can see FBC is 13.327 tension. Alright, and it's okay. And next another is FCF is equal to 20 kilonewton tension. Opposite, right? So F upward is equal to downward, so FCF is equal to 20 kilonewton. So after that, one more component is remaining, that is one member is remaining, that is EF. So for that we'll consider a joint. Consider joint F. So we'll consider this F joint. This is 10 kilonewton. This is F, EF, CF, and this is FBF. We have some values, that is CF. CF is equal to, here we have CF is equal to 20 kilonewton. BF is equal to BF, as you can see in this case, BF is equal to minus 22.212, minus 22.212 kilonewton. This is minus, and this you can say it is alternate angle also 53.13. Here this angle is equal to this angle, that is 53.13. So summation of fx is equal to 0, because why we have taken summation of x, because EF is horizontal, and that is what we have to find. So we'll resolve this. FBF cos 53.13, and this component is FBF sin 53.13. Right. So we'll take horizontal forces. You can see in this diagram, horizontal forces are 1, 2 and 3. These three are horizontal forces. So plus 10 minus FEF plus FBF cos 53.13 is equal to 0, plus 10 minus FEF plus, in bracket I'll write minus 22.212 cos 53.13 is equal to 0. Right? So plus 10 minus 22.212 cos 53.13, answer is minus FEF minus 3.327 is equal to 0. FEF is equal to minus this value to right side become plus, but because of this minus sign you are getting minus answer, minus 3.327 kilonewton. This is again compression, right? So अभी तक हमको जो भी वैल्यूज़ मिल गए हैं उसको हम एक टेबल में कॉपी करेंगे. यहाँ पे, right? So we'll write step by step. FEF, where is EF? Yes, 3.327 negative. Next, FCF, CF 20, CD, DC or CD, that is 13.327, BC 13.327. AE is minus 2.77, AD 11.66 tensile, DC AD, DC is equal to 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 AD is equal to, here you are getting 11.66, right? Next, BF, that is 22.212 minus ED is equal to 0 because there is no opposite force. Right? So these are the answers. So now we will calculate the value of U by considering unit load at point C. Why point C? Because in question they are asking calculate deflection at point C. तो इसलिए हम यूनिट लोड इन द सेंस 1 किलोन्यूटन हम एज्यूम करेंगे जॉइंट C के ऊपर. So after applying unit load at joint C, you just consider only reactions, no other external forces. So that is, this is RAH. I'll write RAH 0 because there is no horizontal force. RAV This is RB, right? So with a similar procedure, we'll proceed again from first step, that is find support reaction. Find support reaction. Summation of moment of force about point A is equal to 0. So that is plus 1 into 6 clockwise minus RB into 9 is equal to 0. So RB is equal to 6 divided by 9. 6 divided by 9 is equal to 0.66. This is RB. Summation of Fy is equal to 0 plus REV plus REV plus RB minus 10 is equal to 0. So plus REV plus RB is 0.66 minus 10 minus 10. Answer is REV is equal to 9.33 kilonewton. So consider joint C again. Consider joint C. Sorry, joint A. Consider joint A. There is only vertical reaction REV, that is 9.33. This is FAD. This is FAE. This angle is 53 point. How much? 53.13. So we'll resolve FAE sin 53.13, FAE cos 53.13. So summation of Fy is equal to 0, upward plus downward minus plus 9.33 plus FAE sin 53.13 is equal to 0. FAE is equal to minus, that is 9.33 divided by sin 53.13, that is minus 11.66 2 kilonewton. This is in compression. FE. Next, summation of Fx is equal to 0 plus FE cos 53.13 plus FAD is equal to 0. FAD is equal to minus FAE cos 53.13 is equal to minus, what is FAE, that is in minus 11.662 cos 53.13. So minus minus become plus. So 11.62662 cos 53.13, that is 6.99, almost 7, right? 6.997. I'll write this as a 7 kilonewton. This is FAD. FAD is 6.997 kilonewton. So like that you consider next joint and find out forces in all members. Consider joint D. So consider joint D, FAD, FBC, FDE, FED is equal to FDC is equal to 7 kilonewton tensile, FDE is equal to 0 because there is no opposite force. Again FDE is 0. Next we consider joint B. This is RB, this is BC, FBC, as you can see in this diagram, FBC, FBF, this angle is 53.13, FBC, so we'll resolve this. FBF cos 53.13, FBF sin 53.13. so summation of Fy is equal to 0. RB is how much? That is 9.33. right? RB is 9.33. Summation of Fy is equal to 0 plus FBF sin 53.13 plus 9.33 is equal to 0. So FBF is equal to 9.33 divided by sin 53.13, that is 11.662 kilonewton FBF. You can see here is minus compression, that is point B. Next consider summation of Fx is equal to 0, FBC minus FBF cos 53.13 is equal to 0 minus FBC minus FBF is negative minus 11.662 cos 53.13 is equal to 0. So this minus become plus 11.662 cos 53.13, that is FBC is in tension 6.99, again it is nearly equal to 7 kilonewton tension. Right, so FBC is equal to this. Next consider joint F. So this is EF, FC or CF, and this is FBF, and this angle is 53.13. So we'll resolve this. FBF cos 53.13, this is FBF sin 53.13. So sigma Fx is equal to 0 plus FBF cos 53.13 minus FEF is equal to 0. So FEF is equal to FBF cos 53.13. How much? FBF, that is minus 11.662 cos 53.13. So it is equal to 11.662 cos 53.13. So answer is again 6.99, nearly equal to 7 kilonewton. you can see here in this diagram, this is equal to this, right? So CF is equal to 1 kilonewton tensile. So I'll write all these values in our table. Right, step by step we'll write. First AE is minus 11.662. Next ED, that is 7. Next DE or ED is equal to 0. ED is equal to DC, that is also 7 kilonewton. BF is minus 11.662. BC is 7 plus EF is again it is 7. CF is equal to 1. Right, now find length of each members. See here, ED is equal to 3. Next ED is equal to 4. ED is equal to 4. EF is again 3. DC is also 3. CB or BC is 3. FC or CF is also 4. The remaining, these two are inclined members that we can easily find with the Pythagoras theorem, right? Remaining side, that is 4 square plus 3 square under root of this is equal to 5. So length of these members is 5. So I will write here 5 and 5. So now I will perform your multiplication. Minus 2.77 into minus 11.662 into 5. So answer is 161.518. 11.66 into 7 into 3. Answer is 244.86. This is 0 into any value 0. Next 7 into 3 into minus 3.327, that is minus 69.867. 11.66 into 7 into 3, that is 244.86. 20 into 4, that is 80. 13.327 into 7 into 3, that is 279.867. Minus 22.212 into minus 11.662 into 5, that is 1295.181. Take summation of these values, that is 161.518 plus 244.86 minus 69.867 plus 244.86 plus 80 plus 279.867 plus 1295.181. Answer is 2236.419. So deflection at point C is equal to this summation of PUL upon EI. So the summation is 2236.419 upon EI. In this question EI value is not given. see EI is equal to constants, that's why they are keeping answer as it is. This is the final answer to find the deflection at joint C by considering unit load at point C. Right? Thank you. तो आपको हमारा वीडियो कैसे लगा हमको ज़रूर बताइए. सो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड प्रेस बेल आइकॉन. चलो हम फिर मिलते हैं अगले लेक्चर में. तब तक के लिए बाय. थैंक यू.